final vengeance. Let's go. Here we go! Into those brakes. That thing is so nuts. My God. I still think the best part is the wave turn over the station, but man, that was the best death roll I think I've experienced. Wow. Incredible ride. Still number 4. Iron Gwazi holds up so well. It's running better than ever. My God. That was amazing. Bam! Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. That was incredible.